The Cuisinart Smart Stick 700 watt hand blender is so versatile in the kitchen, and it will chop or grind, it'll mash, it will blend and mix, and it will whip. But for this applesauce, I can choose between either something with a bit more texture using the masher, or I can use the immersion blender to get a really smooth texture. Beautiful. The Cuisinart Smart Stick makes every job in the kitchen so much easier. With this applesauce, I've got the right texture, it's come together beautifully, and it's ready to go to the table straight out of the pan.